Hi y'all! This is a short video showing you how you can put all of these ideas together, these ideas that we've been talking about throughout the semester in this ethics class, so that you can make a practical decision. So let's take a look at the question of, for whom should I vote? By the way, early voting is taking place here in Texas right now, so y'all get on out there and vote. As you see, I voted. There's my I voted sticker. All right, so when we take a look at this question of for whom should I vote, we're asking a should question. And as you all know by now, should questions are questions of ethics. Those are questions that ask what is the correct decision? What's the right thing to do in this situation? So this question of for whom should I vote, this is a moral philosophy question. All right, so getting started on this, how do I decide what's the correct decision when it comes to this question of should? How do I know what I should do? Now, we talked about value theory in this class, and when we're doing that, if we want to apply that, one thing that you could think about is what is going to give us the best life. So what will lead to a good life? Or you can ask the question of what are the values of the different candidates? And do you share those values? That's one way that people use ethics to make this decision of for whom should I vote. Excuse me. The next thing you could do is you could take the stance of looking at it from virtue ethics. Ask yourself, is this person the type of person that I want to have as a leader? If you do that, then you're applying that character question, and you're asking this from the stance of virtue ethics. Or you could take a look at this from the consequentialist perspective. In that way, you're going to ask yourself, what are going to be the consequences of electing this person? If you're looking at it from the results or the consequences of the action to determine what is the ethical action in that case, then that means that you're following that consequentialist perspective. And that's how you're making your decision. Last, look down there at the code-based ethical theories. These are the deontological theories. Remember, those say that we have this set of rules. We have this code. We have the duty to follow those rules and to follow that code. So the question there is this person going to follow the rules? Or are they going to break the rules? If I'm making the decision based on deontological ethics, I would say that I want someone who's going to follow the rules, whatever they are. The next thing you want to do after you've made your decision of, am I going to decide this based on sharing of values, the type of character of the person, the consequences that will result from it, or the following of a strict adherence to a set of rules, after you make that decision, you've made your decision about what ethical approach you're taking to the question of for whom should I vote. The first one, values, you're using value theory. Second one, you would be using virtue ethics. Third, consequentialism. Fourth, deontological ethics. After you've taken a look at which of those places you want to use as your starting point, then you'll want to take a look at the arguments from the different candidates and evaluate them based on whichever of those ethical perspectives you want to use to make your evaluation. See? You use ethics all the time. And now you know how you can use ethics to make your decision about for whom to vote. I hope this was helpful for y'all. Everybody, get on out there and vote, and let's participate in democracy. Okay, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.